Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. It's another piece from the Doom file, the Doom pile. This was like little snowman pickets. See 'em? I don't even know why I bought these, frankly, but I have them now. So they're my responsibility. And I don't know, I think maybe I'll do like something springy on it, something flowery. I don't know. I'm gonna have to come up with an idea for these. First things first. See their little, where they had noses? There's little holes in there, and then the texture of this one. We're gonna fill that. So first things first is to get a little dry decks. Some dry decks out. Get these filled and let that dry. And then we'll get it all sanded down. What the heck? I don't know what's happening with this piece. I honestly have no idea what I'm gonna do. But it's got to get out of here. Been here too long. Goodbye. We're getting through these projects. All that shelf behind me. Yeah. It's happening. And this was on those shelves. So let's get these filled. Whew, this thing is horrible. Little snowman thing. Ugh. I don't know. Maybe a garden sign? Something that says garden? Do I have a garden? I don't know. Ugh, there's not a whole lot I can do for this board. The texture on the board, I'm going to do what I can. But I'm not going to fill that whole thing. Ew. It'll get a heavy duty sanding. Whoever made this didn't... Why did I buy this? I think I thought I could do something with it at one time. I don't know. I think when I started out, I was just desperate to get inventory. I do remember this had Christmas stuff on it. So it probably like went in my first Christmas booth and then didn't sell. And I thought, well, it's got to be something other than what it is because it's kind of ugly. But that's what happens is you get excited and you start your first booth and you realize you don't have anything for it. And you kind of buy whatever you can find. And it's not always good stuff. But, you know, I invested money in this thing. So I hate to just get rid of it or send it to a burn pile. So that's the purpose of going through all of these pieces and parts that have ended up in the doom pile and trying to figure out what we can do with them so that they don't continue to be a doom pile. That doom piles are even, I mean, let's give it a chance. So maybe once this dries, we're going to let that dry. Maybe we'll figure out what we can do with it. I don't know. We'll see. All right, I got it sanded down and I'm ready to paint. And of course, we're going to go with the traditional white picket fence thing because why not? So we're going to just paint this whole thing a bright white. Now this has to be over here. All right, you guys have seen me paint a million times, so I'm going to put it on time lapse. Okay, so I finished painting it, and then I went ahead and added this little hook, and I'll tell you why. I don't have a wreath this size, but I do have a wide mouth jar lid that is slightly wonky. It's not, you're not able to use this anymore. It's not quite perfectly round, and it fits perfectly like that. And then I also had some boxwood. So I'm going to hot glue the boxwood to this quote unquote wreath, and we're going to create a little wreath for our little picket fence. It's all cleaned up now, and it doesn't look like snowman faces, and this is what I came up with. I'm going to hang a wreath on it, maybe stick one of my birds here on the corner, and it's going to be a cute little thing. It's going to be a thing because I got nothing else. So, let me get you face down to the surface here. I've lost my big glue gun, so this is all I could find. And I only have 3 glue sticks, so we'll see how far I can get with 3 glue sticks. And a mini glue gun that's probably so cheap, it's just going to fall apart. But I literally cannot find my big glue gun. I just went through the whole room again, and I'm like, what in the world? Part of me feels like when this stuff happens, that there's little elfie people who come in and take my stuff. If you have children, you'll understand. They borrow things they never bring back, and then we'll find them places. And I don't know where my glue gun is. It goes on that wall right there. That's its spot. And I've been putting it back. And then I thought, well, maybe it fell down. So I checked the floor, and oh, no. It's not there. So we're using the backup mini gun. And Lord help me, let's hope we can get the whole thing done with 3. 1 in there and two in the 2 backups. Dear gods of crafting, please be with me, because we're going to cover this. Make it into a mini boxwood wreath, because when I looked on Amazon, the 3-inch boxwood wreaths that I would like are $24 for a set of 4, because they go on candles. I don't want 4, and I don't want to pay $24. So let's make one with materials we already have. Okay, so now we've got a little boxwood wreath, and look. We stage it with one of the little birds, huh? It's cute. And maybe I'll put like a potted plant in front of it, or I'll stage it somehow in the booth, but I like this now. Because I, for years, was not sure what I was going to do with these weirdo snowman pickets, and now I don't hate it. See, if I just pressure myself to take a little more effort. I mean, this was on the list for a while, and I'm glad to get a price tag on it and get it out the door. I only went through 1 full glue stick getting these glued to the ring. And now it sits perfectly right there. And they can change that out. If somebody buys it, they could hang a sign that said spring or fall or whatever the heck they wanted to. Put that on a mantle, and I think it'll be cute. So that's my project for today. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy chunking. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.